Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we're looking at the 4 best free screen capture software for Windows 10, and I'll walk you through one of the top apps on our list. Now, let's get started. At number 4 on our list is OBS Studio. This app is free and open source, designed for live streaming and video recording. On the Microsoft Store, it has a rating of 4.6 from 45 reviews, making it a trusted choice for creators who want high-quality screen capture and streaming. Here are 3 standout features of OBS Studio. Create multiple scenes. You can combine your computer display, video games, webcams, and video files into different scenes. Live streaming support. Stream directly to platforms like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook, live with ease. Local recording. Record your video productions locally to share or edit later. Now let's take a look at the user interface. When you click on File, you'll find options to manage your projects and recordings. In the Edit tab, you can adjust and customize your scenes and sources. The View menu gives you control over your layout and display settings. Docs allow you to organize panels and access different tools easily. Finally, the Profile section lets you manage different user profiles for streaming or recording setups. Overall, OBS Studio combines powerful features with a flexible interface, making it a strong choice for anyone looking to capture or stream their screen. At number 3 on our list is ShareX. This free and open source app lets you capture or record any area of your screen and instantly share it. On the Microsoft Store, it has a rating of 4.9 from 8 reviews, showing it's a reliable choice for fast and flexible screen capture. Here are 3 standout features of ShareX. Multiple capture methods. Capture your full screen, active window, active monitor, or use the window menu to choose a specific area. Quick file sharing. Upload images, text, or other files to a variety of supported destinations with just one key press. Screen recording. Record any area of your screen and save or share your videos easily. Now let's look at the user interface. Clicking on Capture, you can select your preferred capture method or start a recording. The Upload section lets you send images, text, or files to multiple destinations quickly. Under Tools, you'll find utilities like color pickers, rulers, and image editors. Task Settings allows you to customize workflows and configure hotkeys for faster actions. Finally, the History tab keeps track of all your captures and uploads, so you can access them anytime. ShareX combines powerful capture features with an efficient and customizable interface, making it a top choice for anyone who wants speed and flexibility in screen capture. At number 2 on our list is Screen Marker and Recorder. This popular annotation tool for Windows lets you draw, take notes, and record directly over any application. It's widely praised for its versatility and user-friendly design. Here are 3 standout features of Screen Marker and Recorder. Annotation tools. Use pencils, highlighters, arrows, shapes, and text to mark up your screen in real time. Persistent drawings. Your annotations can stay visible even while working in other apps or windows. Screen recording and screenshots. Capture your work with built-in recording and screenshot tools for tutorials, videos, or presentations. Now let's explore the user interface. When you select an option like circle or rectangle, you can draw directly on your screen and customize its size and color. Each tool is easy to access, and the interface stays simple so you can focus on your work without distractions. With customizable hotkeys, quick access from the system tray, and multiple annotation and recording options, Screen Marker and Recorder is excellent for creating tutorials, presentations, or streaming content efficiently. At number 1 on our list is Screen and Video Recorder. This app is a powerful and easy-to-use tool for capturing desktop activity, gameplay, online courses, and more in high quality. Its clean and intuitive interface makes it accessible for users of all experience levels. Here are 3 standout features of Screen and Video Recorder. Flexible screen recording. Record full screen, selected windows, or custom areas of your display with ease. Adjustable video settings. customize video quality, resolution, and audio input to fit your needs. Enhancement tools. Apply themes, filters, and stickers to make your recordings more engaging. Now let's walk through the user interface. Clicking on Screen Recorder, you can select the screen or window you want to capture and adjust the resolution and format. The Video Editor tab allows you to trim, edit, and enhance your recordings directly within the app. In the Premium section, you can explore additional features and upgrades to further improve your recording experience. Overall, Screen and Video Recorder combines powerful recording options with a simple, user-friendly interface, making it our top pick for Windows 10 screen capture. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more tips and tutorials.